Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to the channel and checking out this video. This is going to be the June Stealth Camping Alliance Challenge, and thanks to Lisa at Lisa's Day Off for coming up with the Cowboy Camp Stealth Camp Challenge, and I'm going to give it a go. We've got some storms coming or have come through and maybe some more, but there is a chance that it might miss me. Let's hope. But since it's a cowboy camp challenge, I don't have a horse, but I do have a trusty steed. Check it out. Well, there it is in all its glory. It's my trusty steed, my Huffy bicycle. This will be what gets me to my camping destination. And I haven't ridden it in a while because of my leg injury, but my leg's a lot better now, so I'm gonna break it out and see what we can do. This will be what gets us there. So let's go along for the ride. That's annoying. And that's good enough. Tire number 2.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, sweetie. Love you.
I love you too.
Have fun.
Okay, you too.
I will.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Well, I hope the microphone's working on this GoPro. I hope it's not too windy. And I hope I can use this footage, but I do have my head mount on, so I'll try to not be real shaky. Really looking forward to doing this. I wanted to do this camp last month for the May Stealth Camping Alliance Challenge. Boy, I bet that's windy on that mic. I hope it's not. But anyway, I wasn't able to. I wanted to do, because it was something new, and something new for me is using the bicycle to go camping. But I wasn't able to get out and make it happen. Let's see what's going on here. No traffic. So anyway, I'm gonna break the bicycle out this time. I've already had one little malfunction. I went to get on the bike and the chain was popped off. Where's the sidewalk? Ah, there it is. All right. You can ride on the road here with a bicycle, but I would prefer not to. I'd rather be on the sidewalk. Here we go. Thanks, buddy. Hey Troy, what's going on, buddy? How you doing?
Doing good.
You doing all right?
Exercising or?
Yeah, I'm out riding around and gonna.
YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. I do a lot of outdoor adventure stuff and camping and stuff. That's actually what I'm kind of heading out to do now. Yeah. So.
Hey, that's going bad.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right. I'll see if I can get some cover then.
It's like lighting. A bunch of lights. I don't know what that means.
Yeah, I don't know what white is. Yeah.
Hail.
Oh, I bet it is. I bet that's what it is.
30, 45 minutes away.
Okay. All right. Hey, I appreciate it, Troy. See you, buddy. That's right. I don't know how much of that got recorded, but I ran into a guy I know, Troy. If you see this video, Troy, appreciate the help. Hope you had a good run. All right, y'all don't want to hear a fat boy huff and puff up this little hill, so I'm gonna turn the camera off. Taking a shortcut. I'm thinking this way doesn't have another hill for me to go up, so I'm gonna cut through. Tell you what, my leg is doing really well with the pedaling. I was kind of nervous about that, if I'm being honest, but so far so good. And I'm probably halfway there to my location, so that's all right. All right, so I just saw some lightning over there. You see all that nastiness coming this way. That is probably not good for cowboy camping. Moving forward. You know, I really thought this cut through. Apparently, it don't. I did have to get off and walk earlier. My shortcut, the hill wound up being worse than if I'd have just stayed on the sidewalk. And let's see if I still got skills to get up over this curb here. Oh, probably not. This is probably gonna hurt. Oh, I did it, but I didn't carry enough speed, y'all. All right, here we go. Bumps. Man, that weather is not looking good. I don't know if y'all can see that on the GoPro, but I took a shot of it with the phone. Well, malfunction number 2. My trusty steed is not so trusty. The rear brake, there we go. It got stuck on. Y'all, I apologize if I'm huffing and puffing a whole lot, but I'm fat. I just can't help it. But let's see here. I don't know what I was gonna say. Sometimes I do that. Maybe it's old age. Hey, if you like stealth camping or camping or just adventures in general, do me a favor. Go ahead and like and subscribe and tell me what you think about this video, about seeing this old fat guy on a bicycle. Here we go. Keep on riding. All right. Another hill. Let's see, where do I want to go? Ooh, I saw lightning. See, the doggone it. I knew that it was like 50%, and it's been raining today, but I mean, you know, 50%, I guess that means 100% for me, because that's what that looks like. That's what that looks like. Gonna be a hundo on the percentage. Oh, I hope the camera, well, the microphone picked that up. See, it looks like it's raining already over there. Y'all, woo, I hope that lightning got picked up. All right, y'all, I don't know what to do. I could take cover, but that school up under their awning. All right, let's go for it. All right. Here we go. More lightning. All right, y'all. I'm down to clown like in the rain, but I ain't down to clown with lightning. And I'm gonna have to have like some substantial cover, because I ain't playing around with no lightning now. Because I don't know about y'all, but I like me, and me and a bolt of lightning don't get along, if you know what I mean. I think I'm gonna have to turn around and go back to that school, y'all. Doggone. And I'm right here where I was gonna be real close to my spot, but I just ain't got no cover. All right, let's take a minute and go see if we can't find the spot. All right, folks, here we go. All right, what are we doing? What are we doing? Ooh, slippery. That's not the spot I was looking for. Okay. Not the spot I was looking for. See, the last time I was here, it was late fall, going into early winter. And it is now late spring, early summer, going into summer. And that right there is my spot. And boy, it is grown up. I mean, I knew it would be grown up a little bit, but no. Not like that. Now, let's go this way. All right, I'm gonna look at some more options, and I just felt some sprinkles. So let me see what kind of options I can come up with and check the radar. All right, y'all, it is starting to rain, and this is what is coming at me. I hope that is what is coming at me. It is gonna go that way, not this way, but now it's starting to rain good. I gotta go. Gotta get under some cover. Here comes the rain. Should not have kept going, should have stopped at that school. I just thought it was further away. All right, I'm gonna go back to that school because nothing out here is gonna keep me covered enough. Ooh, a fox. Ooh, lightning. Did y'all see the fox? I hope y'all saw the fox. That was kind of cool. Okay, lightning. Hey, lightning and thunder. Here we go, folks, here we go. Back through the mud. This is getting to be serious. Let's see here. Here we go. Let's go this way. All right. Yep. Getting wet. Getting wet. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Y'all like my singing? Is any of this even getting picked up by this microphone? Okay, made it to safety, or at least a little bit. the safety. I'm gonna come park my trusty steed over here. You know, every cowboy's trusty steed needs a name. Am I saying trusty steed too much? I bet I am. Let's take a break. Let's regroup. Well, my phone is not showing me what my camera is seeing, so I hope that y'all can see all that storm moving in. I feel confident you can hear it. Oh, here we go. Let's go over here.
Please help my daddy get to 500 subscribers by clicking like and subscribe down below. Thank you.
Well, I hope everybody's June Stealth Camping Alliance Challenge is going better than mine. Coming in sideways in sheets, and there may be hail mixed in with it. It just won't let up. Every time I think it's about to stop, this happens. So I was just thinking as I sat here, it's still raining, it's not nearly as bad, but technically where I'm sitting, I'm probably not supposed to be here. So I laid my bike on its side, got my backpack laid down. You see this little area here? I'm gonna lay down, put my head on the backpack and just watch some videos on my phone. Get caught up on the Isle of Man TT races, and that way if somebody does drive by, they won't see me and they won't call the cops. So that would be nice. Don't really want to deal with the cops tonight. Besides, it's still lightning everywhere. Even though the rain's almost done, I don't feel comfortable getting out on a bicycle with it lightning all around me. Well, have to call it a fail. Little bunny rabbit. Seen all kinds of wildlife on this trip. I don't know that I can call this my trusty steed anymore. My rear brakes are gone. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. See what happens. Maybe I can get out there and try again.